Today we're going to be upgrading the MK8 Gti with Integrated Engineering's 3-inch catback. We're going to be getting rid of this nasty sounding stock exhaust. Before we get too deep into this, I want to let you guys hear what it sounds like right now as a stock system. So this is stock cat, stock exhaust with just an intake. Here's the clip. If you guys want this exhaust right here, I have a link in the description down below where it'll help me and it'll help you because you get the parts you want. Now, honestly, the stock exhaust doesn't sound bad, but when you're a car enthusiast, stock is never good enough, so that's why we're upgrading the exhaust. That's pretty much it, because I don't want to hear this thing stock anymore. I can't stand it. But a downpipe with the stock exhaust does sound good, so I can't wait to hear what this thing sounds like with IE's catback and like a catless downpipe or something. And I don't have very many tools, unlike my parents' house, where me and my dad have accumulated tools over time. But that's okay. This means that you guys can do it in your driveway too. I honestly probably will be able to get to it with just removing this one on the rear, just like so, accessing these two bolts right here. And we'll do the same on this side. Just like that. Once you familiarize yourself with the platforms and the German cars, it's pretty easy to get stuff down pretty quick. Big chungus. Big old resonator, big old muffler. Time to put this thing on. So now we're gonna remove these stock hangers so we can put them on the new exhaust. So these are gonna be a pain. I have tire shine, some slick tire shine. So I think that'll lube it up enough. Looks something like that. Once we hang the rear section, we'll be good to go. We just finished tightening everything up. Now we tighten the tips, and now we're just trying to get the perfect alignment with the diffuser spacing between the tips. So right there, I think is about good. So we'll go ahead and snug up the 13 millimeters on the exhaust hanger, and then we can have a first start. All right, now that it's completely installed, let's go ahead and drop this thing on the floor and get a first start.